Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 4. Hūd alayhi salam. Name: Hūd alayhi salam. Birth and lineage: his full name was Hūd ibn Abdullah ibn Ribah ibn Khalud. He was from the descendants of Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. Hūd alayhi salam belonged to the powerful tribe of Ad in the region of Al-Haqqah, southern Arabia. Family: Hūd alayhi salam had a family and descendants, but no names of wife or children are mentioned in Qur'an or in authentic hadith. Prophethood and revelation: he was sent as a prophet to the nation of Ad after Nuh alayhi salam. And to Ad we sent their brother Hūd. He called them back to Tawheed and righteousness. The people of Ad were physically strong, built huge palaces, and lived in luxury. They boasted of their power and mocked the weak. Who is stronger than us? His message: worship Allah alone, abandon idols. He warned of punishment if they continued their arrogance. Will you not fear Allah? Their rejection: his nation mocked and denied him. You are only one of the bewitched. Refused to change their ways despite clear signs. The punishment: a terrible wind was sent upon them for 7 nights and 8 days. It destroyed everything by command of its Lord. Their grand structures crumbled. Hūd alayhi salam and the believers. Hūd alayhi salam and those who believed with him were saved by Allah. So we saved him and those with him by mercy from us. They left and settled elsewhere. Death: he lived long after the destruction of Ad. Grave: historical reports suggest he was buried in Hadramaut in Yemen. No exact details confirmed in Qur'an or Sahih Hadith. Legacy: remembered in the Qur'an as a warner to a mighty but arrogant nation. He was mentioned in multiple surahs: Surah Hud, Ash-Shu'ara, Al-Araf, Fussilat, and Al-Haqqah. Key qualities: he was truthful and firm in belief, patient in the face of rejection, and sincere and fearless in preaching. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.